First things first, let's clear out some of the example styles that they give you when you first create your React Native app. I'm going to clear that out there. I'm actually going to clear out this entire styles object, and I'm just going to make my own new one. They're using something with Style Sheet where React Native has something to build it out, but I just prefer making my own styles object just like this. So we're going to go ahead and call this container, and inside of here, there's not going to be a whole lot. Basically, what we're going to be doing here is just making it so that we get a nice little style for iOS and Android compatibility issues. So go ahead inside this container here, just write flex1. So we're gonna tie this to this styles.container right up here on our view. We want flex1 so that it takes up the entire screen, and then we also want a margin top of about 24. Now, if we refresh this right now, what should happen is we got about 24 pixels between the top and just like where we're at right now. So kind of you just get cleared out of this area right here, which is sort of what we want. But we're actually doing this for different reasons. The reason why we're having 24 here is because there's some compatibility issues with iOS and Android inside of React Native, and that just kind of goes with React Native. There's nothing you can really do about it. You just have to make sure that you can specify when you want some things Android and some things iOS. So real quick, we're actually going to clear this up so it'll look better on Android and probably look a little bit worse on iOS just for right now. So up inside of React Native, go ahead and include platform. And we're actually not using style sheet anymore, so you could probably get rid of that too. We'll clear that out as well. But you're going to want to include platform. And what platform does is it allows you to specify whether or not you're working on Android or iOS, and then do things based on that. Okay, so for margin top, I'm going to say platform.os, so operating system, are you on iOS or Android? And then check if it's equal to Android. So basically, I'm just making, we're going to make a ternary expression, which is, it's just like a JavaScript if statement, but it's in one line. It's kind of a simple way of doing an if statement. We're checking if the platform we're on is Android. And then we're going to say, if it is, just go ahead and return 24 pixels. If not, return 0. So we're going to save this. People on Android are going to see that you're still at that 24 pixels. People on iOS are going to see that, just like I have over here, you're stacked up against the line again. Now, don't worry, we're going to clear this up really soon, but just know that this is what we want right now to help some compatibility issues with Android and iOS and like the header area. Okay, so we're going to get into a little bit more styling up some things in the next video.